Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Civil Engineering Academy. My name's Cody. Let's go ahead and get started. So today we have a doozy. This is an alternative analysis problem, and let's go ahead and read the question. A large retail store is interested in modeling the sales of extended warranties purchased by customers. Management claims that 43% of its paying customers are making purchases for themselves, while 57% of paying customers are making the purchase for a business. 17% of private customers purchase extended warranties, and 63% of business customers purchase extended warranties. What is the probability that any paying customer, private or business, purchases an extended warranty? Alright, so the trick to this is breaking it down into events. So my A is purchasing for themselves. I'm going to have an A naught, purchasing for business, because they're opposite. And then I'm going to have a W signifying a warranty. Okay. So what's probability of A? Well, that's going to be 43%, so 0.43. Probability of A naught, that's going to be 57%. Okay, so the probability of somebody getting a warranty for themselves is 17%. Probability of them getting a warranty for a business is 63%. So the problem wants us to solve for the probability of a warranty. Well, it's just a simple math problem. We're going to go probability of warranty for themselves times probability of themselves plus probability, you see where I'm going with this, warranty for a business times the probability of them purchasing for a business. So you end up with probability of a warranty plus probability of a warranty, and so this ends up being 0.17 times 0.43 plus 0.63 times 0.57, and so your probability of a warranty actually going to be 0.4322, and that's going to be close to C. That's going to be our best answer there. So sometimes, due to rounding, the FE or the PE may round a little bit different than you, and so that's why you may be off by a couple hundredths, but it's most nearly 0.45, and you'll see them most likely they'll word it that way. What is most nearly the probability? In this case, we didn't. So I hope this video helps, and we'll catch you next time.